Hello, hello, hello! Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel, especially to all my students and their parents. And if you are new to my channel, please 1. Subscribe. 2. Like. Share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3. Like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. 4. Subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is how to construct grouped frequency data. And this is explained in Filipino and English for grade 7 mathematics 4th quarter. So we have here an examples of the scores of 60 students in 30 element math quiz. Okay, so we have here the class interval with a frequency. Okay, so and what is this? No, the data represented by the table at the left for the tally marks or drop or code group data. So these are group. Hence, we call it group frequency distribution. The table shows 10 class intervals. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 class intervals from 10 to 11. And the ending, the highest interval is 28 to 29. The class interval are not overlapping in order that no single item can fall into classes. In the class interval 10 to 11, the lower limit is 10, no, and the upper limit is 11. Hence, the left member, so ito lahat, we call this as lower limit. Saan po yung lower limit? So, ito po lahat ay lower limit. And ito lahat, no? 11 is the upper limit, no? Short for UP, short for upper limit. Okay, so the difference between any two consecutive lower limits, so the difference between any two consecutive lower limits is the class width. Alright, let's continue. Now, what are the steps in constructing a group frequency distribution? First, get the difference between the highest score and the lowest score. Add 1 to the difference to arrive at the total scores or potential scores. The difference between the highest score and the lowest score is called range. Now, importante guys na alam mo yung range kasi we will take up that until the end. Now, what is range? For example, in our data kanina, the highest score is 29 and the lowest score is 10, no? So, the difference is 19. 19 is our range. So, total number of potential scores, we have 9, 10 plus 1 equals 20. To decide on the number of class intervals, which is appropriate to the given set of data. Divide the final number in step 1 by the desired number of class intervals to arrive at the width of class interval I. No? So I stands for the width, no? Width of class interval. Now, if 10 is desired number of class intervals, then, no, I is equals to 20 divided by 10 is equals to 2. So the I is, or the width is 2. Next, step 3, write the lowest score in the set of row scores as the lower limit in the lowest class interval. Add to this value I minus 1 to obtain the upper limit in the lowest class interval. The lowest score is 10, thus the lowest class interval is 10 minus 11. Since 10 plus I minus 1, or that is equal to 10 plus 2 minus 1 is equals to 11. No? So, next, number 4, the next lower limit can be obtained by adding I to the lower limit of the previous class interval. So, to get the corresponding upper limit, or for this class interval, follow step 3, or add I to the preceding upper limit. Thus, the next lower limit is 12, and the corresponding upper limit is 13. So, 10 plus 2 equals 12, and 11 plus 2 is equals to 13. No? So, plus 2 plus 2. Next, step 5. Continue step 4 until all the scores are included in their corresponding class intervals, like this. Ayan, okay. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, no? So, dito, nag-add tayo ng dalawa. Plus 2 lahat, no? So, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22, and so on and so forth. Ganun din dito sa upper limit, no? So, add 2 sa lower limit, or LL, and add 2 also sa upper limit, no? Okay, or UL. No, UL, upper limit, and LL is lower limit. Next, steps in step number 6. Fill out the F column by following what we have done in the frequency distribution. Okay, so we have here, no? So, yan, fill out. Okay, so, yan. So, the frequency is 1, 3, 3, 3. Okay, the total is 6. Okay. Now, example. Okay, so we have here, example, prepare a group frequency distribution on the scores. Prepare a group frequency distribution on the scores of 40 students in math quiz. Shown below are their scores used with or the I is equals to 3. Now, okay, these are the scores. So our solution, the lowest score is 71. Yes, it is 71. And the highest score is 99. So, 99. We will get the range. At saka ang gagamitin natin ay 3 as the I or width. So, lowest class interval is 71 to 73. Now, paano natin kinuha diyan? So, the lower limit is 71. So, to get the upper limit, 71 plus I minus 1. So, 71 plus 3, 74 minus 1 is 73. That's why we get 71 to 73. Next. Alright, so let's make a frequency table out of the scores. So, we have... Okay, so from 98 to 100, so count natin 98 to 100, 98 to 100, so we have 1, 2, okay, dalawa lang, next 95 to 97, 95 to 97, 95 to 97, 95 to 97, ito isa, okay, isa lang, 92 to 94, 92 to 94, 1, okay, isa lang din, 89 to 91, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 86 to 88, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 83 to 85, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80 to 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 77 to 79, 77 to 79, 1, 2, 2, okay, 74 to 76, 74 to 76, 1, 2, 3,